Hey over there at Bespoke Fence, Kimberly here with Elite Roots Digital Marketing Agency. I reached out and spoke with Gloria on Friday, promising this short video, giving you some tips to help you increase your online traffic. Now, and I don't want to waste anyone's time, so at the end of this video, if you like what you've heard and would like any further help with getting more leads for your business, then give me a call. If not, no harm, no foul. Take these tips and use them for yourself. If you could, the only thing I do ask is just for a sentence or two of feedback on this video, either in the comments or as a response to the email that I sent you this video link in. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing I'd like to go over is your website and content. Now, and as I scroll through your website, I do love that you have these get an estimate buttons up here. And as I scroll down, the biggest thing that I really see that you're missing is going to be just in general content. And then, if I remember correctly, yep, you've got your phone number clear down here, but you don't have a phone number clear up at the top. That's something else I'll definitely recommend that you try and get, is a phone number up here so that people can just click into that phone number and give you a call right away. So when I'm talking content, I'm meaning everything on your main page here, including the images and pictures. Even how those pictures are saved before they're loaded onto your website is readable by search engines. Now, content on your front page should typically be around 1,500 or more words. And I know, it sounds like it could be really wordy, but it's all in how the site is put together. Most web designers really overlook content and are not practiced in making a site look really good with that much content. There are a couple of reasons why that amount of content matters so much. Now, the first is how many words you have on your site is actually a factor in Google's algorithms when it comes to how they rank your site. The more content you have, the greater number of keywords that you can get ranked for. Now, and keywords or phrases are what people are plugging into a search engine. So like this Fence Company Chicago is a keyword. Now, in other keywords, as you see here, I've got Fence Company, Fence Installation, I've got fencing companies. Those are all great keywords with a fairly high volume. Now, volume is the number of times someone is searching that particular term in a given month. So ranking in a top position, in position number 1, for more keywords and phrases will really help you get more traffic on your site and therefore more leads for your business. So really, this is my first tip for you. Do your best to go and get more unique, keyword-rich content on your site. This alone will help you so much. Alright, the second thing I'd really like to talk to you about is going to be your Google My Business profile. Now, if I go and search Fence Company Chicago, which is one of those keywords, of course, we were just talking about. The first section at the top is usually Google Ads. Now, and we're not seeing that here today. But the second section here is your Google Map Pack. This is where your business or your business profile would be listed. Now, being in the top 3 of the map pack really brings in a lot of traffic to your site. Around 40% of the volume for a search term results in someone clicking in these top 3 of the map pack. Now, and remember, if you back up the video just a quick little second, we see that Fence Company Chicago actually had a search volume of 600. So 40% of that is all going to these 3 companies, their websites or their phone numbers. Now, to get your profile to the top of this area, make sure you have everything possible filled out, including as many pictures as your top competitors. And after that, it's really all about citations. Now, and what are citations? Citations are listings of your business in directories across the web, exactly as you find them in the Google Map Pack. So exactly how your business name is, your phone number, and your location all has to be the exact same in these different directories, and that counts as a citation. Easiest way to get more citations is to actually just look into what directories your top 3 competitors are in. Go and get in those exact same directories and then try and find even more. There's hundreds of them out there. So really, that's tip number 2. Just work on building up your business profile even more than you already have it. I know you have a lot of reviews, but definitely keep working on more 5-star reviews. Get more citations, more pictures. All of that is really going to help bounce you into these top 3 spots. I think I saw that you were just below, down in spot number 4. Alright, so the last thing I want to talk to you about is has to do with this bottom section here. This is the Google Organic section, and one of the biggest factors in this section is actually backlinks. and the back side of your site. Now, backlinks are what give power to your site. The more power your site has, the more authority those keywords that you worked so hard to get into your content have, resulting in faster and more solid ranking. Now, backlinks are just links from one website back to your site. So let's go ahead and take a peek here at how many websites are currently linking to you. You've got 48 websites or referring domains, giving you 333 backlinks. Now, to beat out your competition, you really want to have as many as they do, plus an extra 25 to even 200, or I mean, the more the better. The more that you beat your competition in this area, the harder it is for them to catch up. The power these backlinks are giving you is really helping you rank for this 298 keywords, and it's getting you 162 clicks to your website per month. Now, if we take a peek at your competition, we see here that they currently have 706 referring domains, giving them 2,440 backlinks and 2,400 organic keywords that they're ranking for, and that alone, those three things, are getting them 1,600 clicks into their website per month. And how many leads and clients are you missing out on by not getting that traffic to your website instead of theirs? Ranking first for a keyword, if we jump back over here, so ranking first for one of these keywords actually brings you about a third. Now, when we talked about in the map pack, 40% goes here. Well, another 30% goes to this very top spot here. So notice top line fence is right here. So if you were here instead, you'd be getting another 200 clicks to your website just from this one keyword alone. So that is all I really have for you today. I wanted to keep this video as short as I could. So if you'd like to know more on how I can help you grow your business and bring you more customers, please reach out and we can chat. If not, as I said at the beginning, no big deal. Enjoy these free tips I've given you. And if you don't mind giving me some feedback on how I did on this video, it would really be greatly appreciated. I hope you found it helpful, and thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon.